JP Hunt with InkSoft, and in this video I want to share an exciting new feature that's now available in InkSoft. And this has been a highly requested feature, so we're excited to be able to deliver upon it. This is the ability to add bulk custom personalization to products inside of InkSoft. Now let me set up sort of the use case and give you some background in the event that you're not familiar with personalization. So here we have a InkSoft Online Store, and of course we have a single color front t-shirt. You'll notice on the right-hand side, we have the ability to collect player last name and player number. So custom personalization in InkSoft allows you to have up to 3 fields, and this can be a text entry or a drop-down. You can title the field, you can add a description, and you can also choose to make it required, or if it's optional, you can choose to monetize that. So again, this is a great way to execute on sales programs where you have a team, and again, you need to embellish the back of every single jersey or product with player last name and number. Think about, things like embroidery, so monogramming with personalized, maybe executive names or monograms on products. Rhinestone embellishment, I mean, this has so many practical use cases. So we've now added the ability to do bulk custom personalization. So let's say you're setting up an InkSoft online store, and maybe you have 10 products, and you need it for each of those 10 products, you need to collect player last name and number, or nickname, or some modicum or arrangement therein. So bulk personalization allows you to, in bulk, add custom personalization. So no longer do you have to go to each individual product. So of course, now let's toggle to a product inside of InkSoft. And of course, we've always had the ability to add personalization. So this is the traditional way to add custom personalization. Log into a product and click Edit. And of course, you can click Personalization, and there you can establish those personalization fields. So let's go to now just Store Products. And of course, I can filter for whatever products might be relevant. So I can use the filter controls to really drill down on the products that I might want to establish or even edit personalization in bulk. And once you've done that, you can select all. And of course, I have 3 products selected here. I'm going to call out really quickly. You'll notice that there's a green tag that indicates personalization is already applied to 2 of the 3 products. So if you choose to add personalization, you're going to overwrite, or rather edit, any of the personalization that might already be enabled. So notice now that I've selected the 3 products, I have the ability to select the bulk actions, and you'll notice the new functionality here is add personalization. Now, when I make that selection, I get a dialog here that, of course, allows me to add up to 3 custom personalization fields or edit existing fields. So in this case, we don't have any, so I'm going to go ahead and establish those now. So again, you have at the very top your choice between a text entry or a multiple choice dropdown. You have the ability to make the field required in order to add to cart, in which case that grays out the ability to add a price. So that should be inclusive of the product itself. If it's going to be optional, of course, you can choose to monetize that. Now, of course, field label. So in this case, I can enter in student, first name. So you can type in whatever's appropriate, and you can even leave field instructions. And we certainly advise that you take advantage of this. This could mitigate customer service phone calls. This is a great way to inform a parent or whomever is shopping or purchasing exactly how you intend to decorate or embellish with this custom personalization. So certainly signal that here. I'll just put an example just to show you the preview at the very bottom. So of course, we always establish a preview to allow you to get a quick glimpse in terms of what that personalization field will look like. Now I can go ahead and select Create, in which case that custom personalization field is now present. Now in the event that you have more than one, you have the ability to drag and drop to control the sort order of your personalization fields. Of course, we give you a high-level perspective on that field. So the field label, you can see the type, whether it's required or optional, the price. You have the ability to edit or delete. So this is a great way, again, to edit custom personalization in bulk or apply custom personalization in bulk. And of course, when you're done, you'll go ahead and select Apply, and InkSoft will apply those changes to your selected products. Now again, we're excited to be able to deliver upon this since this was a top feature request by you, InkSoft customers. Of course, keep your ideas coming. That's what fuels development and decisions here at InkSoft. Now, if you have any questions or you need help in taking advantage of this new functionality, of course, you know what to do. Reach out to the InkSoft Success Squad.